Here are a few things to keep in mind when searching for sources. Choose the right database for your subject. The best way to do this can be through the subject guides. Once I'm in my database, choosing the advanced search automatically saves me time by breaking everything down into categories. Every database looks a little bit different. This one offers a drop-down menu that allows me to specify whether my keyword should fall under a specific heading like author or title. I can also choose not to select one of those headings, which allows me to search all the options. I don't want to search my topic as a whole phrase because more words means fewer hits. I'll break it down into key ideas. I've put quotation marks around polar bear because I want to search for those two words next to each other, rather than polar separate from bear. Choosing AND from this menu tells the database that I want polar bear and the following terms. Geographic terms really help narrow a search like this, and since I want anything related to Canada, I'll use the asterisk. In the book catalog, I would use a question mark here instead. The asterisk tells the database to search for any words beginning with these letters. That would be Canada, Canadian, etc. This also works for variations in spelling, like the British colour and the American colour. In the book catalog, I would write colour with a question mark, and in the journal databases, colour with an asterisk. The more synonyms I include in my search, the better, because I don't know what terms are listed by the provider. I can put brackets around groups of synonyms as well, like teenagers or adolescents, and beliefs or attitudes, and alcohol. The or in this category tells the database that any of these terms will do. I could also add a new row and select not if there was a term I wanted to exclude. Generally, and depending on my project of course, I want between 10 and 100 hits returned, so this is a pretty good number. This first article looks perfect. This page holds all the possible information for my search to capture, so it's important that my search terms are varied enough to be included here. If the spelling or word choice doesn't match up, this reference won't be returned in my search. The abstract is a key area for search terms since it's a summary of the article. This article also has online PDF full text and allows me to print, email, save, cite, export, whatever I want to do with this article. More recent articles have longer abstracts. Older ones might only list the author, title, and a few keywords. Try these tips with your next search so you can skip the goose chase and get right to the golden egg.